Hello everyone, welcome to Pimmy Pim Channel. Today I am going to unbox ring light that I bought from Amazon. Starting. This is the stuff that I got, and I open it. And this is the ring light that I got. First thing you open, you will see instructions. So for this brand is called Set Zhuolang or something, which it came with a purple box. This is what it looked like inside. I'm going to show you guys what thing is in here. So you got the stand, phone holder. This one is camera, Bluetooth, and another one. Oh, where this one is, I think it's where you attach with ring lights, and this screw. I don't know what this thing for though. Just like got this, and we got the ring lights. So I'll show you. One I ordered is called ring lights. It's 10 inches ring lights with stand and double holder. You can use it for YouTube video, desktop, lit ring light for streaming, makeup, and selfie photography. And this model, there is 3 modes where you can change the lights to white light, natural light, and warm light. So there's 3 modes of lights that you can choose when you taking video. This standard thing, this one is, they said it can be extended to up to 62.99 inches. So, and one more thing is this ring light, it can be rotated to 360 degrees. They got this bit. Where you can is intelligent controller, so you can use it control the lights and that stuff, and it's USB charging. So let's try to set up. So I guess it's just like this. You put this thing in here, just attach them. Yes. Okay. You can screw it in, it's like sticks there. Screw it in. And this one you can do. I'm not sure this will work really. This is the first time I ordered something like this. Oh, when you pick it up, you can just, there's the thing here. You just screw it and it will stay, so it won't move. Really tight, so it's not moving. And then you attach the light. When it's in the instruction, yeah, it doesn't tell how you put them together. It just like they have a picture for you, but it doesn't tell how to put them together. It doesn't tell how to assemble them. All you have to do is, all you can do is follow the picture. Which is hard for me. This is the first time I do something like this. I don't know. It's really being it's a struggle for me. And this is, look, it's cut back. moving. It's not. I don't know how this works. Usually I hate this. What? I think it's moving. What's this thing? Oh, it's move the light. What next? This thing. Ah, yeah. Oh, look. This. I'm not joking. I don't like this. I don't know how this thing is supposed to work. What? It's not even staying. Hello everyone. Today, after we've been working so long for of this ring light, he figured out how to make it work. But basically, he take the screw that comes with the ring light off, and then he replace it with the long screw that he has. This is what it looked like after it work. After I can use it. This is what I'm talking about. That he put this screw on instead, and he took the original one out, because as it's not working and it's not long enough to hold this stand. So right now it's working, and I'm going to show you how many lights they have, how many modes, how many shades. So today I'm going to show you how is this work. Firstly, I will show you how to hold this thing. This is, you can just take it out, make it work. So you just twist it, put it into mirror, and twist it to lock. This is actually difficult to do. So this is actually how tall can it be, which is really tall for me. And for me, I think this ring light is not strong enough to be this tall, but it's good for doing selfie stick. So I would take it down about 1 or 2. There you go. And the light can be twisted to like 360 degrees if you like to. And this is USB type cable, so I use my phone charger to help with this. So I'm going to plug it in and turn on the light, which they also have these small remotes where you can connect it to Bluetooth. This is for freehand taking pictures, so you can just press this button here. You got a button here, you can just press it, so it will take your picture automatically. Okay, let's go see the light. So I have turned this on, and this button here is for controlling the light, so you can change how bright you want. This button here is turning on like this, and this one is white lights, which this button, the second button here, is for you can decrease or increase how bright you want. Which this button here, the top bit, is for decreasing the light, so if you want very bright, you can just press it and it's turned like this. And this button here is you swap the light, so you click one time, it changes to different lights. And here, white light, warm light, yellow light. Yeah, so this is everything that I'm going to show you today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and just comment it down below. Thank you. Bye.